So hello guys, today we're gonna talk about, as you seen in the topic, COVID-19. We doesn't gonna talk about like what precautions you have to take to protect yourself from it, or what you have to consider, what you have to do when you go outside, because everyone is telling you about that. But I got a question from someone is like as we all noticing or not, probably you noticed or not, like COVID-19 is giving some worse side effect to some persons. Some are dying or getting worse to worse side effects, or on the other hand some persons don't getting that much side effects and they are just recovering in just spending time in their home, and they don't have to go outside or they don't have to hospitalize them. So why is it happening? So now today we're gonna talk about this. So what exactly happened? The thing happening is like, okay, first scientists assume that it all about the age, like young persons have strong immune system so they can easily fight with COVID-19, but on the other hand old age person don't have that much strong immune system, so they can't able to fight with it. But after some time, what they had noticed, the biggest thing that affecting or influencing the impact of COVID-19 on every individual, what they had noticed like underlying diseases like heart disease, diabetes, like most common diseases, hypertension. This is the main thing that affecting the, like how it gonna affect your health, or how it gonna affect on you, that you need to hospitalize or you gonna recover from it easily or not. So we're gonna talk about in a more deep by topic to topic. Now okay, let's talk about it more. So research had done in US on 1.3 million of COVID-19 patients on June 15. What they had seen, like death causing by COVID-19 is 12 times higher than the normal person. The person, like why I said 12 times higher, the 12 percentage of persons dying from COVID-19, that 12% is coming from the person already suffering from underlying diseases like diabetes, hypertension, or other diseases. We're gonna talk about it in more depth by topic to topic. So this was the small description about it. So let's go on another topic. So as we were talking about like that diseases or underlying diseases is the main problem for that. So what are the risk factors or underlying diseases that supporting it a lot or making it worse for you if you are infected by COVID-19 or not? Like age, obesity, diabetes, hypertension, smoking, your blood type also. We're gonna talk about every topic in detail. So first we're gonna talk about age. What scientists had seen, like person aged more, so they did a research or they are analyzing the data, like how many person are dying from corona and what's the percentage coming from which underlying diseases and all. So we're going to talk about age. So what scientists had seen, person age more than 64 or below 80, like between 64 to 80, 4 to 11% deaths caused by corona is coming from the age group of 64 to 80. And not about this only, like 10 to 27% of deaths are caused by age group of 85 or older. So yeah, we can say age is the biggest factor in it. Not just it. So why is it happen? Probably you're wondering about it. As I said, it all about your immune system. Any infection coming out from outside inside your body, your immune system gonna take a control and start fighting from it. Like okay, as you age more, your immune system getting weaker and weaker, so it gonna get worse after 60, or you gonna get, or if you catch coronavirus or COVID-19, it gonna make worse for you, it gonna get worse for you, because underlying diseases are more in age older than 60. Like you probably noticed or not, if you have elders in your house who are older than 60, they are already suffering from hypertension, diabetes, chronic lung problems, or hypertension. So or already your immune system is very 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 weak if you are older than 60. So it gonna be worse for you. Let's go on another topic. So now we're gonna talk about how diabetes gonna affect if you are suffering from corona. So we're gonna talk about a research did on May 1 on 64 persons who are affected by corona. So what scientists had seen, two are already died from out of that 64 persons who infected from corona, and 4 out of 10 persons who are affected by corona and already have diabetes, they have to be hospitalized and they even need a ICU, or as I said 2% died from it. Even scientists not sure about it, like diabetes is the main reason for that, or the diseases tagged with diabetes like chronic lung problems or kidney problems. So now we're gonna talk about if you have hypertension problem or any kind, end up getting heart problems or cardiovascular problems. So let's go on another topic, like smoking. How smoking affects, like smokers, if you are already smoking, quit it or don't go outside your home. It gonna get worse. What scientists had seen, person affected by corona who are already smoking, they end up admitted in ICU, hospitalized, ventilated, or even most of them were died. So why smoking affecting you that much? What smoking used to do, it gonna damp your immune system, or it gonna destroy all the cells in your respiratory system, or as I said, in heart problems, it gonna deplete your oxygen levels by entering in your lungs. Or if you are already smoking, get an idea what gonna happen. So quit smoking, or better be careful. So let's go on another topic. So as I said, in risk factors, obesity is also the major reason to get more affected by corona, or it gonna get harder to recover from corona. So what scientists had said, like obese person are more likely to get severe or worse side effects if you catch coronavirus, or if you're suffering from it, or it gonna get worse for you. So scientists doesn't got an idea like why is it exactly linked with severe or worse problems or worse side effects if you catch coronavirus, or why obese person more, or we can say twice likely to get hospitalized or end up being in ICU. So according to my opinion, what I thought, because obese persons have less lung capacity, because you are carrying huge amount of fat, huge amount of muscles, maybe not muscle but still 200 pound 300 pound person, your heart have to work more, your lungs have to work more. Let's don't talk about heart, your lungs are like, I talk about lungs in smoking also, in hypertension also, cardiovascular diseases. So it directly affecting your lungs by eating up or end up your oxygen levels, or depleting your oxygen levels. So you better stay away from smoking. So now we are not talking about smoking like obesity. So according to my opinion, why obese person more likely to get worse side effect if you catch corona, or if you're suffering from corona? Because of less lung capacity, or we can say you are obese, that means more inflammation inside your body, more inflamed molecule going through your bloodstream, that means less or worse immune response. Your immune system is weak, that means your body have to work more, or you have to go to hospital, you have to hospitalize, ventilated, or end up being in ICU. So let's go on another topic. So as I said, blood type is also the major reason in your you gonna get corona or not, or how it gonna affect you, you gonna get worse side effect, or you gonna suffer more or not. So let's talk about blood type. So study had done in science, southern science and technology, what scientists had seen there. They did a research on COVID-19 patients. They didn't did much, but what they had, the only thing they did the research on blood reports of coronavirus people, or covid, they suffering from covid-19. What they had noticed, the person with a type of blood group, like a positive, a negative, ab positive, ab negative, what they had seen, they are more likely to get affected by coronavirus as compared to persons with o type of blood group, like o positive or o negative. They didn't find the reason, or maybe I can say age, gender, sex, or like other type of reasons involved in it, but it's about the result or researches they did on their researches. So as I said, like your blood group also affect you, or people with a type of blood group more likely to get affected by coronavirus as compared to o type of blood group. So don't feels like, oh, now we can go outside if we have o type of blood group, we doesn't gonna get affected by it. COVID-19 is a new virus. No, or like negligible kind of, or we can say less data is available on internet, or no research, I can say no research. Like I didn't even see 50 to 100 research, like it's like nothing. So you better be careful, stay inside your home, or please cover your mouth, or you know that I don't gonna tell about the precaution, because everywhere you're gonna see like cover your mouth and blah 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 blah. So that's all about today, guys, and please subscribe the video to get content like this. I keep uploading videos in every 3 to 4 days or in a week, so please subscribe the channel. Till then, bye bye.